Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for this video we're going to make a homemade pizza. So for the ingredients, we will need a 1/4 kilogram of ground beef, or you can use chicken if you want. Then 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic. Then add this to the beef. Then add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Then add some pepper. Then a teaspoon of sugar. Then mix. Mix very well. Then after this, add a pinch of salt. Then mix and set aside for 5 minutes. So at this time, we need to add 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Then half a teaspoon of salt. 2 teaspoons of baking powder. And sift the dry ingredients just to eliminate large particles and for us to have a finer flour mixture. Then at this time, we need to add half cup of water. Then 2 tablespoons of oil. Then mix slowly. So at this time, you need to wash your hands, and we will be now starting the kneading. It is important to knead the dough for us to attain a soft dough texture. So if it is too dry, you may add a little bit of water and oil. Then at this time, we need to cover and rest for 10 minutes. At this point, we will now be cooking the meat. Add 4 tablespoons of oil. Then add the beef mixture. So this will serve as our toppings for our pizza. So we need to cook this completely. And make sure we need to reduce the water and fry the meat. So I think it's already done. Then get this in the pan and set aside. So we will now go back to our dough after 10 minutes. Add more oil and knead for the last time. So knead more until it becomes totally smooth. Get a tray, and I will be making a rectangular pizza, or if you want, you can make a circular pizza. Add some flour in the tray. For us, the dough will not stick on the tray. Place the dough at the center, then start making it flat. You can use rolling pin, but I have no rolling pin, so I will be just using the cylindrical glass, smooth cylindrical glass, just to flatten the dough. Then make a rectangular shaped dough in the pan or in the tray. Just fold the side gently. Make a hole using the fork. So we will now start putting our toppings. So we will start with the sweet style spaghetti sauce. So I will just be using the spaghetti sauce, then use the spoon to spread this evenly. Then add the meat. So this is my own pizza, so I'll be using a lot more meat. Then add sliced hot dogs. Place it uniformly. Add some tomatoes. If you don't like tomatoes, you can omit this one. Then add some bell peppers, or if you may have green bell peppers, it's still okay just to add some color in our pizza. Then add some leaves. This is optional. Since I don't have any kinds of leaves, I just be using alugbate because we have alugbate beside our house. Then cover it with cheese. So I think this is cheddar cheese, or you may use the quick melt cheese. So this kind of cheese won't totally melt, but still okay. This is more cheaper compared to the quick melt. Then you need to preheat the oven for 5 minutes at 220 degrees Celsius before putting the pizza. So I will be putting now the pizza, and we need to bake this one for 20 minutes at 220 degrees Celsius. If you don't have oven, you can use the non-stick pan with cover, then cook this in a low fire. So after 20 minutes, get the pan, let it cool, and we need to slice our pizza. So I will dividing this into 8 equal parts. This pizza is good for 8 persons. You try this one at home, it's very good, and you can experiment your own toppings. You may add chicken or some other kinds of hot dogs. And that's it. I hope you like my video, and thank you for watching.